Okay, so kind of what she looks like there. Not all the way done yet, but kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of a better picture. Let me stand out here, try to get broader out for you guys a little bit. So from what it did look like to this is a miracle with the coating failure that it had. Now this is a elastomeric coating. It will expand and contract as the weather, it warms up and the wood starts to expand. It will expand with the wood, and vice versa. When it starts to get cold and the wood starts to shrink a little bit, it will actually shrink with the wood instead of flaking and peeling. It's a rubberized type coating. Like I said, it's not done, so if you see some little spots here and there, it needs to be recoated. That off coloring there is actually coating that hasn't dried all the way yet. So it definitely needs another coat in a few spots. And then if you look closely, you can probably see like those flakes of paint there, paint chips that are on the surface. That's from the previous coating. It just started flaking as we were painting it, and it kind of came up. So we're doing the best we can with it, and what we'll end up doing is putting another coat on it, and a lot of that will smooth out. But from what it was to what it is, it's a lot better. I'm gonna move underneath that grill and paint that too. And you can see the difference. There you go. That's the difference. It's not dry yet neither, like I said, so big difference. I think they'll be happy with this. Alright, well, post some more later.